Here's some detailed programming information. Lesson 8, all about design patterns for your iPhone development project. A significant amount of the development work for an app is done via the UI kit. While that's all well and good, there's more to it than that. The framework is created around particular programming paradigms or design patterns. These patterns represent content that must match with your own code. Design patterns for the iPhone are able to assist the comprehension of more than just the structural formation of the code, but in understanding the framework structure too. The popular definition for a design pattern is a solution to a problem in a context, but that probably doesn't help you much. For programming, a design pattern is a popularly implemented template that provides a constant method to achieve a specific goal. Here are the 3 core design patterns necessary: Model View Controller, MVC, Delegation, Target Action. The Model View Controller design pattern is the foundation to comprehending the way an iPhone app runs. The Model View Controller MVC pattern. iPhone frameworks are object-based. The activity to be completed is split and given to each member of the team, objects. All team members have a role and cooperate with others to achieve an outcome. Object-based programming was initially created to allow code to be maintainable, reusable, extensible, and understandable. When looking at a common program structure, how do you choose which objects to use? The MVC pattern is a long-standing template to group app functions into objects. Here's an overview. Model objects. These work in collaboration as the engine for the app. They hold the app's data and logic, enabling your app to be more than just a slideshow. View objects. These show things on screen and react to user activity. Overall, most of what you see in front of you is some type of view object, e.g., the screen window and all its controls. Your views understand how to show data they have obtained from the model object and how to obtain information entered by the user. Controller objects. These link up the app's view and model objects. They provide the view objects with display requirements, together with providing the model with user information entered from the view. Actively using MVC. Think of an iPhone user at Heathrow Airport loading up a mobile travel app several times. The view brings up their current locale as Heathrow Airport. The user can tap an on-screen button to request the most effective routes to get to London. The controller interprets this inquiry and informs the model of the information required by passing a message to the relevant method within the model object. The model calculates an inventory of options, taxi, rail, or bus, and then the controller produces and provides the data to the view for it to quickly show on screen. Working with windows and views. Once an app is initiated, it will be the only process running on the system other than the operating system software, obviously. iPhone apps operate with just one window, preventing you from displaying multiple windows with different documents.